So, hello and welcome to the sixth episode of this series where I document my quest to develop an 8-bit retro game for the ZX81. So what I can show now is a first path to a good ending, to a successful ending, and also then illustrate how the gameplay works. So I've made a few small changes to the menu, so you see the up at the bottom right to indicate that you go up to the main menu level by pressing the up button. That's I think the only thing that wasn't visible in the UI in the previous version. Otherwise, the principle is still the same. So you keep pressing the number, so 3 for signs and communication, and then 2 for open a channel. And then the game advances, and how I keep track of things, either of what happens in these instances, whether it's these choices that you can see here, or whether it's the normal progress, is that I have an array of states, one array element for each of the stations, so 16 elements plus one for the 3 game overs plus one extra that I need. And what then happens is that each outcome of a choice that the player makes can change the state for this particular station. So now, for instance, the player is talking to the commander of the hijacked ship, and the next time I'm going to choose open a channel, it won't show the option to talk to the other ship. It will show the option to talk to Starfleet, so that then behind the scenes the state has advanced to show only the Starfleet option, so that there is no repetition in things. But I also can then of course change the state of other stations, so that one action here, one choice here, can then enable or disable options in other stations. It won't be the entire path to a successful end of the game, because I'm still missing a couple of bytes to show full dialogue. So you will see some lines that are obviously missing. I haven't optimized much. I've optimized a little bit, but there still have some longer variable names and lots of numbers in the code, which are extremely inefficient in ZX81 Basic, and where I can then replace a 1 to the function sign of pi, or the number 0 to not pi, and this is actually cheaper in terms of bytes. I think 2 or 3 bytes as opposed to 5 or 7 or something. And then with all the constants, 1, 0, etc., then this will add up, and hopefully I'll be able to squeeze in all the dialogue pieces that I'm currently missing. So there are 2, one on this path and one on another path. And one or 2 things that I also want to include could be fluff. Hopefully cheap fluff in terms of memory. But yeah, let's see what I'll be able to put in after the optimization. You also see there option 4 is deactivated, so I wanted to have a log entry, but that's certainly something that I won't be able to fit. So that's the compromises I'm currently making. The easiest thing would simply be to say the emulator has to run on 24K RAM expansion and not 16, but I have the aim to put this into 16K as the common games and other programs back then, so that they would expect someone having the normal RAM expansion, which was 16K, and not something more fancy. So then that's, I think I'm so close to 16K with almost everything ready. So I don't think that I will go to 24 just to save me the pain of optimization, because I think that's part of this development experience. So I keep pressing 2 for open a channel, because this is the diplomatic option, which is the easiest, but it also has certain prerequisites which I didn't show during the introduction here, so you have to find out that yourself, how to get that. And I think that's that part. So what I would now show is the resolution, how to get from here to the successful ending. So if you don't want spoilers, then please stop now. And I'm saying, I hope this was interesting. And in the next episode, what I will probably then just go over is the finishing touches, so how to make everything work within 16K, and what kind of fluff I might or might not include then in the end. And yeah, thanks for watching. And if you don't want spoilers, then stop now. Otherwise, I'm going to play out the successful game ending. So 4 for engineering, 3 for transporter, and then the successful path is reached by negotiation.